Well, when I'm standing at the shoreline by the mighty sea, it's an intense and special feeling. I can hear the forces of nature in its natural environment. The enormity of it all makes you feel quite small, actually. And that's exactly the way it should be. Because you feel like you are part of the natural environment rather than dominating it and doing whatever you want. I'm extremely fortunate to be able to make a living from gathering wild ingredients for restaurants all over Norway. The reason why is that I feel calm, I feel a part of nature, I feel that I'm a place where I should be. When we use nature, I believe it's of the utmost importance to consider the environment and harvest in a sustainable way. If you want nature to keep providing year after year, then sustainability is essential. We spend a lot of time understanding what nature provides and which of the rich diversity of species can be used in gastronomy, so the talented chefs can do their magic and create incredible food. It's just as special every time I'm down by the sea, harvesting seaweed straight from the nature. And then just a couple of hours later, I arrive at a leading restaurant where one of the best chefs transforms it into a gastronomical delight. It's an amazing experience for me. What inspires me is that special mix of nature, sustainability and food. It provides motivation to find new species and find out what our natural environment can offer. So this is my contribution to the Nordic cuisine for the future. My name is Jim André Stene and I am the proud owner of Trøndelag Sankeri.